Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you exactly how to get a stun gun in GTA 5 Online. Now it's a very easy process, and to get the stun gun you will first need to see where exactly is the gun van, because you can buy the stun gun from the gun van. The location of the gun van will change every single day depending on the location that the gun van is currently today on the day that you're watching the video. Just simply go to the link given to you in the description box below and just simply click on that. Now it will bring you to this website over here. In the search panel right over here, just simply search for gun van, as you can see right over here, and then it will show you two locations, as you can see right over here in the map as well. The reason it is showing you two locations is that there is a possibility that the gun van will be over here, and the next possibility is the gun van will be over here. Now what you have to do is just simply go to the location which is the darkest for the first, and then if the gun van isn't here, just simply go to the second location. But in 99% of the time, you will find the gun van at the first spot over here, and make sure that you go in the morning, because only then you will be able to see the gun van, because in the night you won't be able to see the gun van. And if you want the map to be like exactly the game one, click on the game option right over here, and then you can just simply zoom in and see the location. I have already came to this location, as you can see right over here. As you can see right over here, you have the gun van option as well. When you move closer to the location, you will automatically see that the gun van is available on your minimap, and you will also get a small notification on the top left hand side corner of your screen, which will tell you that there is a gun van near you. So after that you will know where the gun van is, then just simply go over there and talk to the person. And now once you reach the gun van, it will look something like this, and inside that you will find the man. Now just simply go over there and press E on that. Now just simply head over here and press E. Then just simply go inside weapons, and now right over here you have the stun gun, which you can also call Taser. Now the reason the gun is not over here is because the guns over here keeps on cycling and changing every day as well with the van. There are some times that the stun gun isn't available over here, including with the rail gun over here, but you will get both of the guns right over here. Like as you can see, I already have my rail gun over here, which I also bought from this exact van few days ago. So just like that, you will also get your stun gun or Taser exactly from this van as well. That's it, and thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe to our channel.